Good morning, students. Class 10th. Uh, Now today I am discuss of the types of the reaction. Five types of the reaction. Number one, combination reaction. Number two, decomposition reaction. Number three, simple displacement reaction. Number four, double displacement reaction. And today I am discuss of the five types of the reaction: oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction are involves of the old and new definition. The old definitions are depends upon the add of oxygen and remove of the hydrogen. Okay. Previous lecture are attains of the all students are known as all elements all elements add of the oxygen and remove of the hydrogen are called oxidation, and any elements are add of hydrogen and remove of oxygen are called reduction. In other word, all negative elements are add of any substance, and positive substance are removed are called oxidation. Just opposite, positive components are add are reduction, and remove of negative components are called reduction. Okay, and now the modern concept of the oxidation and reduction depends upon the losses of electron and gain of electron. Now this concept of electron concept, oxidation and reduction, when the any elements are losses of electron are called oxidation, and add of electron of are called reduction. Both contributions of the reaction, electron add and electron gain, it. Okay, this is called the oxidation, this is called the reduction. According to model concept, oxidation is the process in which an atoms are ion lose करेगा, ion lose कर रहा है, loses of the ion, it is called the oxidation, and gain of the atoms or gains of the electron. Okay, gains of the electron are called. Okay. Number one, oxidation. Any compounds like sodium are gain of loss of one electron and charge of positive. It is called oxidation. Just way magnesium are loses of two electron and charge of magnesium +2. Aluminium are lose of 3 electron and charge of aluminium +3. And reduction is modern concept of example. Reduction gain of electron, gain of electron, like this example, chlorine has one electron gain and charge of the one negative. Other example, oxygen are gain two electron or oxygen are represented two negative atom. Next, nitrogen are gain is 3 electron and charge of nitrogen 3 negative volts. For oxidation and reduction, and both condition are this reaction are called redox reaction. When the any reaction are composed by losses of electron and gain of electron are called redox reaction. Redox reaction. Redox means oxidation. One of the components form oxidation and another component form the reduction. For example, sodium and chloride. Sodium and chlorine to give off sodium chloride. When the sodium of loses of electron, so it called lose of electron. Sodium are lose of electron because the sodium are the two electron loses and form Na plus, and chlorine had gain of electron, so it's called reduction. It is called oxidation.